Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Welcome back to your weekly devotional for week 37. Okay, week 37. We have Christ's resurrection and you. You've probably read or been told that you are not defined by your past mistakes. And it's true. You aren't. Your failures or heartaches may shape you who you are, but they do not define you. The question now is, what are you defined by? The most important thing that separates you from a Christian as a Christian from other faiths is the resurrection of Jesus. It is the pivotal factor that has created arguments and decisions among people who, for centuries, Jesus' defining moment of the resurrection is what defines you too. He rose from the dead, and you did too when you accepted him into your heart. So live forward in freedom. Now, from this day forward, I won't be reading these here because they're not the same as what I put in the video. So, I'm going to read this section here and the prayer, because what I put in the video for these parts, for the verses, are not the same as what I read, and I don't want to confuse anybody. So, from day 37 on, I will be reading just this section and the prayer. Okay? Father, thank you for the resurrection and the life that is in me because of Jesus. I love you for blessing me with such a great gift, the promise of new life today and spending eternity with you in all my tomorrows. I want to thank you all for being here. Please be kind, be blessed, be positive, be safe, and I will see you next week for week 38 for your weekly devotional. Bye-bye for now.